It was much different than I anticipated. And it was because it was my name on that show as well.
Good morning and welcome to the Upper Rotunda of the state capitol. Dave Wilson, TJ Meadows at the AARP broadcast location in the capital of the great state of West Virginia.
You fill in, you do a week, and you kind of dust your hands off. Go, all right, I'm done with that. I mean, I was going home with headaches at night, going, all right, are we doing it? Are we doing it the correct way? Oh, I didn't like that segment. I forgot to do this read. You approach it a little bit differently when you know it's your name attached to it. Nobody has done it better than Hoppy Kercheval when it comes to talk radio in West Virginia. He has set the bar here, and that's where the bar has to be, because everybody's waiting for you to fail. Everybody's waiting for you to go, waiting to say, well, that's what it's not Kercheval anymore. It's not Hoppy. But what he did was establish a show that was about the content. It was about the guest. It was about the bills that are being run at the legislature. And I got an opportunity for 14 years to watch him do that and learn. So by presenting the stories fairly, giving people information that hopefully helps them navigate daily life, navigate when they go to the polls, just being a little bit entertaining in there as well. I think that's how you honor a guy like that. A guy from St. Mary's, West Virginia ends up, in this position with Metro News, doing play-by-play, doing color, doing these state tournaments, doing this show every day. I don't know that that's supposed to happen. And if it wasn't for great teachers in high school, a professor who wanted to kick me in the hind end at college, and an absolute angel of a wife, if it's not for all of those people who in some way influenced me, pushed me, supported me, I'm probably coaching freshman football at St. Mary's High School along the way. So I'm lucky. I'm lucky. I get to go to work every day and enjoy it every day. I don't have to sit and stare at spreadsheets or, try to sell a product. I get to go to work. I get to have fun most of the time and enjoy it almost every day, and make a living out of it. And I guess maybe lucky is the word, because if one thing's different along the way, you never know where you end up.